First fish on the fly. Nice landing, a nice fish. Look at that fish, guys. Nice one. He jumped and he ate it. Get him back in. That's such a nice trout. On the fly. Get him back in. Let me get him back in quick. It's a nice one there. There he goes. Nice. Whoa. He thumped this thing. I don't think he's even that big. There we go. He's dead. There we go. Another one. He freaking thumped that thing. Look at that guy. I'm getting back in. There we go. Jolted back in. Right where he was. Nice. Two in that little pocket right there. See that? I think, oh, that's a trout. That's a trout. That was, it's a nice brookie. It's fighting like a brookie. Oh wow, that's a nice. That's a really nice brookie. Look at this guy, guys. That's a nice brookie. Let's go. Wow, that's a beautiful fish. This is how we do it, right here. Get him in, guys. That is a nice brookie. Look at that thing. Get him back in. He'll be fine. He'll be fine. He'll be fine. There he goes. Guys, I'm fishing his pocket here. This has been I've been catching all my trout here lately. I missed a couple before. I mean, I missed one up at the top before. But my dad's using live bait, and the fly is actually outperforming the live bait. Usually the live bait kicks ass, but the fly's been really doing pretty good. But my dad missed a couple, so, but not as many. He only missed like one or two. So I could have caught four. He missed like one. So the fly is winning. Sometimes it's good to versatile. Like I have my other rod with me. Use live bait and flies if you could, because that's a good way of fishing a river for trout. You don't know if friggin' they want the live bait or they want the fly. I think that's a fish. Oh wait, what the hell happened? That was weird. But all right, gonna keep fishing, see if we get another one. Wow, it's like a mini salmon. Well, it is a mini salmon. This is a trout. Oh my god. Oh, that rock. That is a nice one. Oh yeah, there we go. See guys, a modification works. I put a split shot on, boom. I'll try this hole for a little bit. You gotta use split shots sometimes. It could be a pain in the ass. It kind of is casting, so I have a 5 weight, so, but it works. It works. Get him in there. He's fine. Nice, let's go. Oh, there we go. One on live bait here. This one stays on, it's a limit. This one feels pretty decent too. Of course, he's in that freaking current. Don't want him to shake that head. There you go. That's a nice one. Look at that guy. He's barely hooked. That's a nice one. Like that. Oh, slipped on my hands. There we go. Nice. That's almost like pretty much first cast here. There's a golden right in front of me. I was trying to get that golden. He's right. This little guy. Oh, he's off. Little guy. Right by that golden. Rod now, guys. This hole, there's a lot of shit behind me, but this is the first fish I hooked onto this year at this freaking hole. This hole's usually pretty good. No, it's a trout. He's coming right at me. That's a brown trout. Oh, that's a nice brown. It's a really nice brown live bait. There we go. One on live bait. Get this guy on a hook, guys. I'm gonna get him back in. Ooh. There we go. Oh. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Look at that guy. Get him back in. That's a nice one. That is a nice son of a bitch right there. Get him back in. Ooh, this guy's fighting good. He's not even that big. He's just fighting like a freight train. He's got that. Wow, actually it is a nice one. That's a nice one. Worms and flies are getting him today. So he got hooked. He hooked that. Oh, he's hooked under his fin. That's why. Oh, it wasn't even freaking hooked. Oh, wait, no. Maybe he was hooked and went through his mouth into his fin. The fight's really good. There we go. Whoa! That thing jumped like a freaking salmon. Yep, I almost ate it. Oh, yeah. I think he knocked himself out when he jumped. That's a nice one. They're all nice. All good keepers. Not keep anything today. Nice. I caught just as much on the spinning rod now than I did on the fly. Sometimes some holes are easier with spinning. I'm gonna get them in, guys. Yeah, guys, live bait I think is gonna prevail today. See, if I was on that side, there's more of a clearing. I could use the fly rod. This tree's all behind me. I tried using it. I got stuck once, but this might be a small. No, it's a trout. But I tried using it. It's kind of tough because you need to use a split shot and all that. I mean, you could, but sometimes it's easier using a spinning rod in this scenario. There we go. I got another one. There we go, guys. A little smaller one. Still a nice fish, though. Little guy. Try to get him in quick. There we go. Nice. Where's he at? Okay. Oh, it's a small one.
You're in that curve.
Yep. There he goes. A little brown. That's another brookie. Bring the streamer up. Brookie. Yeah, now brookie today. That's awesome. Oh, there he goes. This is a nice fish.
I was using the worms this morning. I can't get to it, but he might as well. If he was on that side, I'm like, oh, out there, you're killing the phone. Yeah, lunch thing, ain't it? Lunch for dark. You're killing him right there.
This is a nice one. He's a nice brown. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is a nice brown. That is a nice fish. As soon as I cast it, bam! The thing figured smashed it. That is a nice brown. I say about 16-inch brown. Oh, nice. There we go. Bolt one at me. You wouldn't believe what this is. A sucker. It's a big sucker. Whoa. That's a big fall fish. Look at the size of this thing. Look at that thing. Freaking huge. All right, guys, that's it for today. What a great day of fishing. Caught a lot of fish on the fly rod here. Really fun. That brown was nice. This is one of my nicest browns. Really nice brown. Last fish. That fall fish was the last fish. That was a really big, that might be my biggest fall fish to date, which I thought was a nice rainbow. I wish it was, but again, live bait and flies was the deal today, which is always kind of is. The live bait, I mean, that one hole I smoked them in live bait, so if I used live bait more, I probably would have caught more today, but the fly was successful today. Very successful. Caught like almost 10 fish, but great day, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later, guys.